Welcome to a USC Libraries tutorial. Facts and Comparisons is a drug information compendium licensed by the USC Libraries. This video will introduce you to how you can find and select resources in this compendium. A drug compendium is a single website that includes multiple tertiary information resources providing information on different aspects of using drugs. Facts and Comparisons is currently owned by the same company that produces the product UpToDate and the product UpToDate LexiDrug. These three products use similar branding, but are separate products with different information. Make sure you start at the USC Libraries database page, search for and click Facts and Comparisons to access the USC Libraries licensed version of this drug compendia. The words Facts and Comparisons will be displayed in the top right-hand corner the entire time you use this compendia. Facts and Comparisons has some lists in the reference section at the center of the page. Facts and Comparisons interactive tools include oral interactions and identifying a physical drug. Access these via the top bar on the page. Click on one of these tools and enter the needed information to view quick results. Facts and Comparisons Interactions Checker requires you to enter at least 2 drugs. You have the option to include allergies and conditions affecting the patient for whom you are reviewing content. The results are shown using a 3-point scale. You'll see different options in other compendia's interactive tools for selecting and displaying drug interactions. This is why some compendia are better than others for quickly and easily providing quality information to answer a specific type of drug information question. This compendia was the first to offer comparisons, side-by-side views comparing data from drug monographs, and still offers some of the best ways to view comparative information quickly. Under More Clinical Tools, select Drug Comparisons, then decide whether you want a data view with quick information or a monograph view with more information. In either product, enter the names of the drugs of interest and click Compare. In the data view, you will see brief summaries about some selected categories. In the monograph view, you see the entire monograph. You can scroll to see sections of monographs display side by side to help you make a decision about which drug to use. Both of these allow you to compare clinically relevant aspects of drugs. Under More Clinical Tools, view indexes to see the names of all the individual books included in this compendia. This compendia includes 2 books of monographs, Drug Facts and Comparisons, which includes lengthy monographs, and Facts and Comparisons A to Z drugs, very short monographs. Facts and Comparisons also includes a few handbooks, a book focusing on one specific category of drug information. This compendia includes the Natural Products database covering natural products. Facts and Comparisons is a unique source that includes evidence about whether a drug is effective for an off-label or non-FDA approved use. Briggs covers pregnancy, and the REMS book includes drugs with FDA-required safety monitoring programs. You can see the main content of these books on this screen and can browse each monograph or handbook from this screen by clicking the name. The more common way to use Facts and Comparisons is to search. Search for metformin. The results show individual monographs from Drug Facts and Comparisons about this drug alone or with another drug. Click on View Full Search Results, then More Results to see results from all books in this compendia. Book names are displayed above chapters, allowing you to select the most appropriate source for your question and patient. For a general question like what is the best starting dose of metformin, a monograph may answer this question. For a question about metformin's off-label uses, this handbook may be better. Understanding the differences between information provided in a single compendia and its interactive tools, monograph books, handbooks, and patient education content in order to select an appropriate source for a specific question is a goal of pharmacy education. The easiest way to understand and differentiate between these sources is to try using them to answer drug questions and compare the length, depth, and language used in the sources. If you have further questions on accessing or using facts and comparisons, contact the USC Libraries.